What you wanted is what you got now. So you don't gotta worry about me. Made it clear that. So today I'm gonna be talking about this piercing. It's called the curl this. It's called the industrial piercing, and just overall pros and cons of having a piercing. So, when I first got the piercing, I don't know, it was January, February, March. I feel like it was in February or March of 2017, and I had went to a tattoo shop and I got it pierced, and the pain on the scale from 1 to 10 is a 5, I would say. Yeah, it really didn't hurt. Like when he pierced it, it didn't hurt, but when he transferred the bar into my ear, it hurt it because the bar was a little bit thicker, so it expanded my hole. But other than that, the pain was okay. Afterwards, like later on that night, I had a hard time sleeping on it, of course, because it hurted, so I couldn't sleep on my right side for like the first, I would say, 3 weeks. First 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half or whatever, I couldn't sleep on my right side because it hurted so bad. Because it was still healing and stuff. So the first week of me cleaning my piercing, I bought this cleaning solution from the tattoo shop, and I took the solution and I cleaned it when I woke up in the morning and before I went to bed. So for the first week, it was like pussing and stuff, nasty stage of having a piercing. Um, So yeah, it's no fun the beginning stage of having a piercing, but it was okay. Then after the second week, I think the second week it still was pussing. Like for the first month, it was like nasty, gruesome. I think it was about 3 or 4 months after I got the piercing, and I started growing the keloid. I can show you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but this little bump right here, I'm trying to feel for it. This is a keloid. It's small, but it's there. And I didn't know it was a keloid until I like looked it up or asked one of my friends, and my friend actually told me that it was a keloid growing on the back of my ear. And I already knew, but it was just a little lump. So, and it's been there for about since 3 months after my piercing. So it's not that bad. It don't bother me at all. So but yeah, so don't bother me at all. But I would suggest if you get a keloid bigger than that on the back of your ear or anywhere around your piercing, you should go get it checked out or just take out the piercing. I didn't think it was a big deal, and plus I didn't even know it was a keloid, so I just kept it in my ear. Pros of having this piercing, I would say it's super cute, and then it fits like perfectly with my ear because my ears are so big. So I mean, yeah, but cons are like you can't sleep on your right side, and still to this day, like sometimes it hurts to sleep on my right side. Like if I'm laying on it for a long period of time, if I'm woke, like just laying in my bed on my right side, it starts to like irritate me, so I have to move it around up and down and stuff, and I probably had to switch the side I'm laying on. What else? Another I didn't change my bar until I think it was like my 3rd or 4th month I had my piercing, and I knew that it was clean, it was sanitized, it was like healed up so that I can change it. I think the first time I tried to change it, I think it kind of closed up a little bit. Like I was trying to change it and it hurted so bad. That's how I knew I wasn't supposed to be changing it that early. So it just hurted like. And then also I had bought some industrial piercing bars off of Wish, and they were just too thick. Like I tried to put it in my ear and my ear hurted because it was trying to stretch out my hole so it could fit in there, and I had lost my ball to the original piercing that I got because they give you like a sterling silver bar piercing. I had lost my ball, and I couldn't get to another place to buy another um ball, so I just used the one that Wish gave me. It wasn't that bad. It just hurt to. It just took a little while to adjust to how thick the bar was. So I wore that for maybe like 2 months, and then I just bought me some other ones. Probably from, I think I bought it from a mall or whatever, and it fit way better than the Wish bar. Yeah, so yeah, but I love my little bar. I don't ever take it out when I go to sleep. So just being me, like I feel like if I take a piercing out, it will start to close up, because a piercing is an open wound. Even though it have healed, your body is trained to close that hole. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, is trained to do that. So if you leave it out, you sleep. You sleep for about 8 hours a night. Hopefully you do, because that's a good amount of time to sleep. But you sleep for a good 8 hours. That 8 hours it takes, your mind, your body is going to start closing your hole up. So by the time in the morning you want to put something back in your ear, it's going to be hard to do it, because it's going to be so tight and you're going to have to force it through. And then your piercing is going to start bleeding. And we don't want that. So that's just another con. Like, you can't take your piercings out. I think that's about it. That's my story on my piercing. And I also have a video of when I got it pierced for you guys, so you guys can watch that. And I want to say thank you for watching my video, and the video is gonna come after this. I don't know why I just paused like that. So this is a picture of after I got my piercing, and this is me getting it. My face is really messed up then. Like, I had a lot of dark spots than I do now, and I really didn't know how to do my eyebrows. So here's the video. Oh, well.
The transfer is a little bit different. So that a little more. You got a good ear for this piercing, though.
I mean, yes and no, just because they tax a lot. My boy works for like manufacturing. Oh yeah. They're just they're expensive, and if we're being honest, the guy that makes them is getting lazy. His product isn't testing out as good as it was. He's making too much money, and he thinks he can just be lazy about it. So I'm finally done, guys, and thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time. You believe it, whoever. Oh.